Big up yourself, Ninja Chris.
Live your life, yeah.
Big up yourself, Ninja Chris.
Live your life, yeah.
Hey, Portmore man, I just get some sexy. We pass me a cup with some Hennessy. Watch ya! Bar price, everything gone up. Lick up on shelf price gone up. Anyone me touch and me roll up. People see us and know who me. Me now watch the price. Play me game and I go under she dice. Kylie see me and I say me look nice. The shot chase, Eddie with ice cream.
Hold on up, pull up on the block. Girl panty a job, white t-shirt have a polo hat. The sun in a cover, it's a cool and kitty mini and three girl a call me come on in. Ducks them pull up in a butcher on in. Pull up on the block, everything shot. Rockin' for the ends, never let me stop. Anywhere we go, I got the girl. I'm a black stay for two from back. So me live the life, never back down. Alright, tell the black, make him know what's up.
Who me now got me there. A party, give me some bread. Be a girl, come up on them head, watch them. Liquor it bust up in a head. Bartender asks me what I want, yeah. Liquor in a cup, and Bacardi. Anyone me touch them, don't say we a star, yeah. The girl them see me teething. I feel like my tipsy, yeah. I feel like my tipsy. One, three, girl I try take my way, I try trick them. I feel, lift up, yeah. Yo. Big up the people that move forward and support me. You know what I mean? Sorry about the timing and the reaching, because we are all over me forward for one thing and you know, forget here and the timing. It's not like my Liverpool more, so I give thanks for his strength, give thanks for his support, give thanks for the artists that move forward out. Every artist, the one they want to get for forward said we are all up on them way. Producer they move forward and support me, cameraman them, music man them. You know what I mean? Big up Portmore, Spanish Town. Big up 100% talent, Genie, the whole sponsor, Glamour, you know what I mean, Click, you see me, the live stream, big up the whole family, Rider, Night Friday, you there man, you see me? So, you know what that, and them same things sign out, and I really my time, watch me up more forward, no? Yeah, we'll give thanks. So people, underscore streaming EP, streaming. Wally more song there. I'm sorry I couldn't get from perform all I sang them on the EP. But streaming EP, Spotify, you know a J-Block, support my FIFA channel. Go on it, subscribe, streaming EP. I guess I need to hear them words there too. And things when I miss up on. Portmore. Big Master Bros.
Yeah man, my boss, you know what things there, you know what you
wait just there. Wait just there.
I
know why there.
Oh no.
Let me say Ninja Chris. Just there, it's like I forgot, say just run away. Wait just there, I'll be a hatred and be a jealousy. Wait just there, when I know I'm waiting. Wait just there, when I know I'm waiting. Wait just there, when I know I'm waiting. Life wicked, nobody know they have fear just in. Wanna see me cut up like sardine. Wanna see me dead in my sleep. No wanna see me rich, living a scheme. Be my driver, well clean. And that make the boy them to stop free. They brought me from school and I'm a copy. I think them are my friend, them are my charging. And them see one betray me. Tell them when them see me nothing heal me. All the girl when they don't pretend like hold on, let me then, I want to know. But me have my singer, you know, I want him to say a little thing a cappella. One thing a cappella, I want you just give them it a cappella. Because time in a go pan way. Ninja Chris.
Yeah, big up all the people them sing. Ninja Chris is a hero. If you look inside the lawn, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. And it deep into your soul, and the sorrow that you know would melt away, yeah. So when Ninja Chris comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know they can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that the Ninja Chris, sing big up yourself, J-Block, sing big up.
Alright, so big up yourself.
J-Block say my shot in launch.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm in here early. What are you? Jump ready.
Anyway, a Prince side comes stand. See me say, this project was made in Uganda. Put it up and come again. Put it up. Hey, God's bro, big yourself. See me say, yeah man, J-Blocks. You don't have a shot.
Yeah.
We are still real like a lion, we don't fast. Yeah. So me feel inside. I make the rest of bleed inside. Oh, yeah. So me feel inside. Until the last time the feelings can't hide, yo. Struggle with me face out there, oh dear. Pressure with me see out there. The people we meet, we don't have no care. Oh, alright. The pressure with me see out there, and the struggle with me see where the people them beer. See, so they don't have no care, and the people we meet, where them shed a lot of tears, oh. Struggle with them face out there. Pressure with them face out there. Struggle with them beer out there, and the people with them don't have no care. Choppy help me out, and see them want to take me out. Oh yeah, Choppy help me out, but please don't start to let me out. Cause the struggle with me face out here. What? The struggle with me face out here, and the people we meet when them don't have no fear. People we meet when them shed a lot of tears now. Struggle with them face out here. The things that we see now. What? The things that they do out there, Rastafari. Alright, oh yes, Choppy help me out. And the big and them want to take me out. Please, please don't let me out. Because the dirty Babylon wants to stress me out. J-Blocks, oh, I saw me see long time. Damn, what happened to mankind? Some see say they don't have the mind. They want to live like animals, swine, yo. Don't let me out. I don't think they want to take me out.
Give thanks to his strength. This time I'm going on. Alright. So give thanks to his strength. The past through IEP. And I love the fire there, you know. You see me? Yeah. Ninja Chris, forward on. You know, say, I hit this. Computer Genie, big up the sponsor them. Give thanks to his strength over there and give me, you see me? Yeah.
At this time, pick it down. We are gonna do it that dog, but program I run the fire up that dog. Prevention and cure, learn that dog. No say out the friend, no play the game that dog. Do the right thing, do the right thing dog. Do the right thing, do the right thing dog. Do the right thing, do the right thing dog. Do the right thing. No bother make them miss you, make the mother miss you. Make jump don't care, don't come kiss you. I put them on the check, I put them mother under pressure. Let me make a mess,
Unstoppable.
Drop me again, drop me again.
You know you're quoting a quote more. Content, you don't know. You're student up on the stage. Good in the hand, we are gonna do it like that. We are gonna do it like that. Content, student. Good in the hand, we are gonna do it like that. But two are gonna run the fire out like that. Prevention like you, learn like that. I tell you what, the friend up in the game, get that. Do the right thing, do the right thing, that. Do the right thing, do the right thing, that. Do the right thing, do the right thing, that. Do the right thing. Nobody make them kiss you, make them man miss you, make drunk go get don't come kiss you. I put them on a check, I put them under pressure. Let me make a mess up, they eat and make a fire. God, I go home, and I ring up the wicked. You know, if they never get the yard down. I'll never smile as a son, already eat and they war up the town. Never be a clown. Do the right thing, do the right thing, da. Do the right thing, do the right thing, da. Do the right thing, do the right thing, da. Do the right thing. Rock bang for robbery, rock bang for rape, rock bang for all who fear in the place. Now do the right in the trip for your head. Can't get sticky from the poop in the chest. Watch what they do for your plate. Can't get love from your ear. Save some of you in a crate. Start with the right aviate. Make other white in the night. You guys are embraced. J-Blocks, go tell us something more like. Yeah. I want to know what I'm saying.
Me and us speak some good things.
Alright now, the rhythm rock in memories long time. Alright now, alright then. Sometimes I wonder if them girl ya atas. Two of them come around and flex like Judas. Say that we mind if them girl alright, I wonder if them girl take a good backers. When them say, that one day atas, lele. So we see how the matters. Oh, it's like this, me not ever be. Let me talk to me girl. You know the fucking thing. J Blacks, pick up yourself in a youth, I hear it out. I hear I live your life. I'm here to tell you one thing. In a real life, we love the girl them. And to the full year thousand. First of all, never drop on that one in a real life, you know. Both the love the man. Alright, level. No chop. Well, I know, party we get at one for no one. We now run on. Time is the matter and time is the patient. J Blacks, you bring me up for work. Well, I know, big up all of my girls and bleach out their skin and look like cool. Big up all of my thugs them and don't know the bad this way. I feel cool. Yo, watch out now, I can, you know. Yo, find another branch. No police car, no ambulance, no local peep, no local guns out. Yo, everything around. Doctor could in a pocket, nurse could in a purse. Tell some diaper, leave earth. You know you roll already. Yo, Jappy Chop, I'm dealing with them dusky, I'm no boss. J Blacks, say something for them. Yeah. Yo, big up all them girls, I'm look good enough. Big up all them crooks, them, you know you roll already. Right now, you're chatting people them now. You know I can this already. Pretty young. We have people here platinum. Ice bubble finger till me and them down with the gun. Look, shine and put down. Ready to shot some pussy one down. Pretty young. We have people here platinum. Ice bubble finger till me and them down with the gun. Look, shine and put down. Ready to shot everywhere. Don't boy you pretty close and not low, no better go down low, me talk to you and dog. Don't boy you pretty close and not pretty no need, you better pick out collectors, enter asset.
Let go that. Alright.
Big up yourself, computer. It's about my life. Based on what I got through. And the pain. And all the bugger things and fight and the sufferation. Because more time people say we as an artist and feel like say yeah, we have a life that easy and we now go through nothing and everything look good and thick, but the personal part of our life is a different part and it's painful sometimes because we have to go through a lot and we have to make sacrifice to him as an artist. Enough time we don't even know. You see me? For things happen and for things work. So more time in a life, you know, you have to do strong. And that's why I even do a song like this. And you know, I lose a lot of friends. And I gain a lot of friends same way. You know what I mean? My heart been broken. You know, just because they throw me. Look at that shot there. Select. One of the people. Popping up. One day for me, wanna see this, you know. Pinch myself, this can be real, you know. This are the times when me have a see, you know. Friends have a turn for me, you know. There's no one for you, just, you know. The world is too ridiculous. I know it a cop, want see me in a cop. One year my rat, them come for them faithful. That now go up, them change with the mouthful. Feel a spoonful, yeah. This a pain can't heal with bandage. Can't stop with tablet. A regular them will be up like a stitch. I know my body look like elastic. Them can't draw me out, come a joystick. But don't stay to my like magic. talk almost broke with no family. I must fear for myself, I God of this. I'm me alone on the journey and do the chaplain. I'm regular them block the road, but that not stop me. Watch I broke my waist like crockery. When them sister that no work, them same who's of attack me like from a dream world. Only times keep popping up. One day for me, wanna see this, you know. Teach myself, this can be real, you know. These are the times me I go see, you know. Friends are go turn for me, you know. There is no one for you trust, you know. The world is too ridiculous. Me never panic when me never have it. Regular my feel for just travel with the matic. Shot in a back pocket. My sister and my brother them for have it. Them couldn't get to me come a swift like Sonic. Pull up. You know the unstoppable. Yeah.
Fix the mic, man.
We got Portmore, my place where my born and grow. We got to store them. We got to own them. You know they're rich too, you know. Yeah. So, it's an EP you know, my fans and my people.
They have any line and a choppy heart. Send it to me, sell it, when we put it on me credit card. When we make the money, I saw the grandish laugh. Big time, just tap a mini fast, big shine. Me they up on the line with some big rhymes. Now me I live like big.
Hey, they give them all right, my friends. They give them all right. Okay, so we will have the man himself, J Blocks, giving us some information.
Yo, DJ Kali say, God did it. So make me drive out the Benz I make a cruise for the end because everything tense. Yo, so make me drive out the Benz I make a cruise for the end because everything tense. Well, we make a drive out, go a OG. A white girl just approach me, green card, and that me hear her call me. And I say she want, give me the punani. And I tell me say she well want me. She want a man from the Brandish army. She said me make she get wetter than tsunami. And I say me look with a Gucci and Armani. I make me drive out the Benz I make a cruise for the end because everything tense. Yo, I make me drive out the Benz I make a cruise for the end. Well, I know them a free one, me a free money. A bag of visa run me down real honey. And me never do nothing funny. Nobody feel when I bust money. Yeah, I saw me stay. Me saw me clean like every day. Me and my friend them a party like a RGS. Rest, I me not care when nobody say yo, Rest. Rest.
Yeah.
Lift it up from Tata. I did it today. Yeah. When me want to live a life better, couple billion and the G's in my sort of life. Like peace, the street me up for pressure. If you go get a finish, finish. When me want to live a life better, couple billion and the G's in my sort of life. Like peace, the street me up for pressure. If you go get a what you hold in a me pocket of you hold in a attached case. Nova Scotia and shove it in the safe. See the bagger with the cash I pull it up in case. The guns I want see me have a happy face. Hungry days and poverty I get erased. Full time when me feel live some happy days. One man me rest, diamond in me ears. Clocks of the laces a spade of it. When me want to live a life better, couple million and the G's in my sort of life. Hard like peace, the street me have for pressure. If you go get a for the cheddar. When me want to live a life better, couple million and the G's in my sort of life. Hard like peace, the street me have for pressure.
Every go get a money on the topic of the day. Every day when we pray, we work so. Tell me that paper, the money run up in a account, what race. I really like the sweet, like sweet, and your teeth and the kids. Yes.
Well, I know. You're living it up. But we see what like people them know about hard life. We know about sufferation. Hear me I say now. Alright. Time did hard and rough, you know, but we never give up. Never turn rough, you know. We are work every day for my money, you know. And we know me must be a king for the land, you know. And that I know if we straight we are right. And I grind and I hustle every day. Yes!
Unstoppable.
Yeah man, one brand this, you know. Take to the left. Yeah man.
That is it, you know, for us. What is it? One got bank and make a next deposit. Cash is it. I mean, I say, waterfall. Come on.
Hold on.
Millions and more up in an account. What you go get a youth of rich in a life. You don't want to own an island. Me see me own boat.
Legal! Drop your get, drop your get.
Let me see the answer to get to you. Never want to get rich in a life, you know. We come from nothing to something. I see me like house in mama, dawa.
Sure.
Every get to you don't want to make it in a life, but me soon I'm hand up. Say, yo! Hey! Billions and more up in a account, but your account get to you to be rich in a life, you know. Want own an island, me see me own boat. Private jets, me own a ear. Yo! Diamond, crumb, so truth. Lifestyle, I you think me sell coke. Inheritance, you feel live the most sport picture than the president of Island X. Hey!
Big rocks. I was the beat them get chopped. And them a wonder who that. I play about those two, they buy a new strap. Bread is never afraid to make it to up. And me a bad man, I put on the school bag. Money doors from a gun and the union. We just buck a skull gun, come a few gun. Yo, brandish. And them a wonder who this. Still coming, we don't try stop this. And them a wonder who this. Up in the gate, let's show the brandish. And them a wonder who this. No matter what them do, me say them can't stop this. And them a wonder who this. They wanna know who. When line tree roll out, anything in the way I get fall out. My heart cool out, but yours will fall out. The 5th gen make a goes out. Do not the fire make a rose out. How about you know about this? Spain out. Badness, sadness, badness, rest. And people live for gladness. And them a wonder who this. Still tell me we get up. Hold on. Step in a red shoes, girl, and move them bottom. And I tell you we cleaner than Beckham. Pants well tight, girl, I shout out. And I say me and the line tree secret. Rest. After that. Yeah, black.
Small in a big like 7. Hot enough?
That is it. One brandish. Yeah, kick off rhythm there.
You know it's 11. Touch girl man and take them to heaven. We put on the small in a big like 7. Hot enough?
Rest. Yo, J Blocks, big up yourself. Yo, 11. Just say one thing for them. Hold on, just stop that. 11, forward.
As I make their way.
There you go, fast them. Put your number sign out here, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come, sir, the sign represented. J-Block. People come and say, hey, get that money up. Stop that paper, yeah. We must have get that money up. Who are we waste time of it later? Yeah, man of your celebrity, every day. Get that money up, yeah. We must have get that money up. Or see you them house to fit. 9 to 5 hours to me, I work for mine. We have return and skip the line. Hey, tell them it's just a matter of time. Hope you lot to meet up me a climb. Let me go so. Chica blocks I work hard for them things. Downtown in England and jungle glass in the thing. See me with me things, don't need more. Hey, turn it up again. See the chorus, man, go so. Hey, get that money up. Brother, Mr. Stop that paper. Yeah, just get that money up. Who are waste time up for later? Yeah, man up your celebrity, yeah. Get that money up. Brother, Mr. Get that money up. I'm poor business and we don't need no trouble. We know what it is without nothing. Whether you're working about nothing. One more. No stop.
Time I run. That was signed honoring J Blocks. Next up we have iPuff.
Yeah, don't know. Big up a braces lady. Don't know anything go. Yeah, so I say, it's a lovely EP. J-Box, pick up yourself now. Yeah, do it from then until now. You see me I say? Yeah. Once word, sign my building. Right now, pick up yourself now. Vegas. Yeah. Oh yeah. A lot of people don't believe in themselves. Listen. Man, rise up this morning, me feel so blessed. Oh yeah. Oh well, turn it up now. Hey, me rise up this morning, me feel so. Lift it down, give it to them. That's where the sign represented. You see me I say? You know I say big up J Blocks. You don't know EP. You see me be a lovely song and the thing. You see me I say? Big up a whole lot of people in the there. We come out to support the thing. You don't know anything about it. You see me I say? Yeah, each of the thing. Play it. Yeah, ready? Hey, yeah. Don't come a little bit more, man. Na. You see this morning? We rise up this morning to be so blessed. No time for war, no time for no stress. Now eat to the pressure, me say self-empowerment. Yeah, me say self-empowerment. I feel so good, feel so nice. No time for war, no time for no strife. Now eat to the pressure, me say self-empowerment. Yeah, me say self-empowerment. Yeah, this is the main fair. But according to the words of them shall get them pay. So me a do me best at all time. I just father that me do the rest at all time. Know it over, me know it over. But keep focus, student, don't give over. Another thing, so others just want to your juggling. Not all them treat the poor man is a sin. And rise up this morning, feel so blessed. No time for war, no time for no stress. Now eat to the pressure, me say self-empowerment. Yeah, me say self-empowerment. I feel so good, feel so nice. No time for war, no time for no strife. Now eat to the pressure, self-empowerment. Yeah, we say listen, it's not okay. So many things gone wrong, but we still a sing a happy song. Division of religion causing confusion. Them preach love and unity, but I see separation. What's going on in the world out there? Oh yeah. The people living in fear. The little kids them scared. Right from this morning. That's it. Once word a sign represented. Yeah. All our hustlers them.
And as he come to honor the man of the moment, J Blocks launching his EP.
Right here in a Portmore for people that can appreciate it and stream it on the live and know go and stream it Apple, Spotify, all these places. And it's a positive EP because even the Christian them can listen it. My ladies them can listen it. You see me? I have more people on the way forward, hope them forward early. You see me? You don't know an EP launch. Alright, MC, get back in I think.
Yeah.
But I don't know. It's a great moment. You see, this is Russell Neely, presented for J Blocks. my brother for life, you know what I mean? It is a great look, J Blocks. You see it? And trust me, the EP wicked. You know what I mean? The EP wicked, yo. Because me listen to it, and I tell you, sir, the EP crazy. So go and get it. You know what I mean? Stream it, buy it. You know the work, right? Read them up. One team, one dream.
Many rivers to cross, still I can't see the
Drop your gangster, drop your gangster.
Blessed love. This is Rasta Neely. Blessings.
many rivers to cross, still I can't seem to find my way over. Wandering I am lost as I travel along. What river over? Many rivers to cross, but it's only my being that keeps me alive. I was lit, washed up for years, and the feeling survived because of my pride. I said, loneliness won't leave me alone. Such a dream to be on your own. My woman left me, she didn't say why. So I guess I have to cry. Yeah, many rivers to cross, still I can't seem to find my way over. Wandering, I'm lost.
Drop your gun, drop your gun.
Next track, you know what I mean? Rasta love.
Oh yeah. Oh baby, you know I love you. Hey, all along it was a fever, baby. Cold sweat, I didn't believe it. Ooh. Throw my hands in the air, say, show me something. Ooh, yeah. She said, if you dare, come a little closer. But, hey. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, yes. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me. You know. Not really sure how you feel about it. Something the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way, said I want you to stay. Yeah. It's not much of a life you're living. She's not just something we take, it's given. Oh Lord, oh, round and around and around and around we go. Oh, yes. Oh, now, tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Hush, hush. You know the things set up, right? Blessed love, you know what I mean? Give thanks.
What's the love? Give them some praise on the most side. J Black, speak up yourself, my brother. Put up for life, you know what I mean? La la la. La la la. La 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 la. Hey, girl, I'm crying for your love. I'm dying for your love. Girl, I want you here tonight. Pull up. Down there, man.
O'Neal. Up next we'll have Ross O'Neal on a 100% talent stage as we honor J Blocks launching his EP tonight. Ross J Blocks EP launch, and we have a barrage of artists backstage waiting to honor the man of the moment, J Blocks. Alright, so make some noise for
I think that normal and a legend. I wanna say me I do one song down. Watch your chopper walk through. Turn it up like that. Give it back. Hold on. The artists them around there. The EP launch. Bless up everybody. Master Bros. Sponsor them. Click. Glamity. Spain Town, same thing. Turn it up like a model. Cold normal. Watch your chopper walk through. Watch your chopper walk through. When I chop big food, them girls said me no. My baby mother said me rude. But the line in on you that you're forced with a suit. My pocket load me a coat. Fully tank on a cruise. Watch your them lose. 30 grand for the shoes. Get them confused. Normal alive. One chop on my rich. Blick, blick.
Other artists, them for know. Give me the next rhythm, let me G. I know the J Blocks keep striving. I want them to realize it. J Blocks, striving for excellence. You know no time for no pestilence. You have to rise and coincidence. You still have to see the word is evident. And them say you're striving for excellence. You know no time for no pestilence. You have to rise and coincidence. You still have to put in the word. Hey J Blocks, you never stop until your dream become reality. Don't shame some people who can tell you about you can't make it. Them wrong, you correct it. Jack and Tony destiny. Them don't know what's best thing you would have seen. But them see we from your God life, yeah, you got home. Don't think nigga while you sink, you have to keep on float. Hypocrites and parasites with them are just take cold. And then make some good chat and just make it them provoke. The people and the people, we see them roll down. In the slum, with them dirty tongue, you get a work. The people let income, and them want to get down. But J Blocks striving for excellence. It's not a time for the pestilence. Yeah man, you know see a J Blocks thing up. Enough respect and manners. And honors.
yeah, right. Yes, so right about now that was Vengeance, and you don't know this is J Blocks EP launch. So in a few you will be hearing from the man himself, J Blocks. So right now let me introduce the public to 100% Talent Jamaica. That is where you can win up to $300,000 in cash. Call up your friends, tell your family. It's 100% Talent Jamaica this and every Saturday right here on this stage. So without further delay, we will have J Blocks. Make some noise for the man of the moment of J Blocks EP launch. We have next, make some noise for Vengeance. Vengeance.
Manners and respect.
J Blacks. You know me have to come salute you, me G. Yeah man, love the work, brother. Yeah man. You know a bench I represent, you know, straight out of Wallava Road. Jump it for me, me G. Credit up, down here. Yeah, I'm a J Blacks. You know them can't stop the thing, you know. They have to watch the thing. Give it to me, G. Yo, Jay! Yeah, you hear me? It's a all over. Hey, Jay, bro. It's a all over. No one to see your stripes. You know every day for your neighbor. You now make it. Me now make it. Tell them go with them dirty advice. When I try all we down. I try all we down. Yeah. J Blacks in my rise like the sun and it a burn them down. Yes, I try all we down. I try all we down. Yeah. No for them not glad you wanna go hear you under the ground. Hey, J Blacks, love no real like the clothes that them put on. You don't click them finger, don't give them lion palm. Them not glad to see you there, you want to be here, so you're gone. The most high give you strength, have to carry on. You don't come around before, you read a psalm. The way you see some pagan, them are gone. Follow them, you would have pick up a weapon. You're smart like Leroy Simpson. All we know, yeah, them a try all we know. Yeah, J Blacks in my rise like the sun and it a burn them down. Come again, all we know. Yes, them a try all we know. Yeah, no for them that not glad you wanna go hear you under the ground. Hey, J Blacks, whenever you them and they go down, we not slow down. They can't take people that be show down and rocking. J Blacks show down and the people see me. They yes, them give me encore now with it in. Better than before now, after that we sure now. And then just see me youths are grow now. So they put me on secure now. Any boy try stop it, them life insecure now. Give me the next shot, J Clark. You know when I shoot it. Rhythm for me now, G. Let me hear myself now, please.
Tell me I got that for you. Say you have a apple, you want me to pick it for you. She's something I got pick it for you. Baby, tell me I got that for you. Tell me I got that for you. Say you have a apple, you want me to pick it for you. She's something I got pick it for you. The girl coming at me house, turn on the TV. Oh, she wanna watch DVD. Remember she spin for me something just like a CD. Now did you say, by your club or GG? Wait, my picture till. Don't for me something man about the way talking. The jack slow wine there, let me do the knocking. The body so firm there, me girl, let me squeeze it up. Girl, tell me I got the death for you. Tell me I got the death for you. Tell you about play, you want me to pick it for you. She's something I got pick it for you. Baby, tell me I got the death for you. Tell me I got the death for you. Say you have a apple, you want me to pick it for you. She's something I got pick it for you. Say you have a apple, want me to pick it, so me pick it. But no one side cause you know me not eat it. Open up your leg, my girl, and me split it. So she twist and she turn up. She said it a burn up, even though it hot shit. Now I only part to stay and respect you know J Blacks. Rate what you do. You see? Yeah, kick off your chop there. Go now, tell if a boy try around, take for them girl and love you, fun out. Gaza G-Son, them friend from Jordan are real, you know. Level it and pull it up for me there. Them say Tom Jive not real, but we're up and running same way. Just go check out the thing them on Spotify and all them places. They go for all the females them, drop it. One out. Yeah, put it on a level. Jiggle up your bumper. Wind up your yourself. Jiggle up your bumper. Some girl lazy them nah no help. Jiggle up your bumper. Wind up yourself. Jiggle up your bumper. Some girl lazy them nah no help. Come in a me house and me beat it out. The boy watch you and speech about. Run with the boy you fi easy mouth. If you talk it yes it can't freak you out. Girl you not take no chat. Your head well hot. You not come a girl yard a creep out girl pot. And you now watch how some girl dem a chat. Some girl come like some waist up. Hey girl, jiggle up your bumper. Wind up yourself. Jiggle up your bumper. Yeah. You know what the girl dem a do? Let me tell you what the girl dem a do. When you in a bed a jiggle, it different thing a Kinda lively for me then. Kinda lively. Give me our next reading. Yeah, I mean I want to get to you them feel kill off themselves, you know. Yeah, you were Jerry Black, see I want to trust them. It's a question of marks, you know. Bam bam man skin get bun. While it's a joke in high life gone down. Who no come bring a get a youth out of the slum. Crime, the violence and the war it be done. Bam bam man skin get bun. While it's a joke in high life gone down. Who no come bring a get a youth out of the slum. Crime, the violence and the war it be done. Kill up jealousy, say you a try by the pagan. Them a move like a spy. Me a fit, talk to John, me a fit. Acting my boy, innocent people. My rest still a fly. 13-year-old, pick me and die. Man feel more boys, man a be talk and I. Them so bad man in this evilous times. So bad man in this evilous times. Bam bam man skin get bun. While is a juvenile life gone down. When I come bring a get to you out of the summer. Crime, the violence and the war it be done. Bam bam man skin get bun. While is a juvenile life gone down. When I come bring a get to you out of the summer. Crime, the violence and the war it be done. Education, that's the key. You can't be anything that you want to be. Set yourself straight and your man will free. Put down the gun cock, on the key. You send Obama already set the copy. And don't lie me and tell us, watch the TV. Yo, pick up J Blacks, you know. Pick up Master Bruce. They said they want to trust the EP launch. Yo, me artist Image there. Image. Oh yeah, there, I'm fire there, you want. Come drop something, make your people in me.
What I know? I know who said about one point what I want to know. Don't forget. Yo, what you know? I'm fire fierce there.
I know it a happen. Want see me in a coffin.
Pull up. Yo, some of them will wish one thing a coffin. And them are gonna die right here. No one want this. You see? You can do what's how we say we're off, you know. You gotta lick it off, it's burn off. Let me feel happy. You know what rough for, it's too far again. I want this. And to me come like gladness here. You say no. Hey, J Black, stick it to them now.
This is a fight for my dream, boy.
Yeah.
Only times keep happening.
Noise for Sona. Them people here now make noise. Y'all give Sona some forward. Make some noise for Sona.
Big up everybody, you know.
For a night, go said me can't sleep at night. And the weed give me dreamy eyes. Sometimes me cry, on a French I take my life. Thinking live me now be try, or be on my time I don't throw the dice. Think me that no get no choice. It's in a rejoice, but me know the father hear my voice. When me say him up to live my life. Can't sleep eyes open. Can't change the way done broken. So we let them life like token. Now low a chat up to me go all them all la. Can't sleep eyes open. Can't change the way done broken. So we let them life like token. Now low a chat up to me go all them. Yeah, I get the road so me chat it all alone. Jump to the groom and blocking a door. Feel like a joke but me get up from the smoke. The gun from a prayer and a turn full of hope. Now head bang a deadly to the boat. Send me the gate then go like me joke. Coach in a bright light fire on a book and dig overheat like pain. That's more coming. Can't sleep eyes open. Can't change the way done broken. So we let them life like token. Now low a chat up and me go all them all la. Can't sleep eyes open. Can't change the way done broken. So we let them life like token. Low a chat up and me go all them. Yeah, heart a look and turn out a hate with a smile on your face. I go like a great and you corrupt inside the blood. You a snake with my cheer the food. If you forget a play now, everybody the Darrow's father got and fear them going in a real long time. They must be them boy they are scared. Oh now, can't see fight open. Can't change the way done broken. So we let them like fight again. Now low a touch up and make all them fall. Can't see fight open. Can't change the way done broken. So we let them like fight again. Paradise, say we can't sleep at night. And the weed in the dreamy eyes. Sometimes me cry, on a French I take a life. Thinking try on me, on mine. Come and just roll the dice. Keep dead and you get no choice. Still not rejoice. Go below the bother, the air provides. Hope they send him to feeling alive. Can't sleep, eyes open. Can't change the weed and broken. So we let them live like doggen. Now I don't want to just have me go all in. Can't sleep, eyes open. Can't change the weed and so we let them live like doggen. Fucking full of car, come here for the paper. Rocks and pens up in a Jamaica. Load rifle we use to call the acre. Funny if you up in them.
Yeah, that was Sana. Next up we have Baby Blue. So make some noise for Baby Blue. Now Baby Blue is the 3rd place winner for season 2. And she's about to audition for season 3 because she wants to walk away with the 1st place prize. So the competition is going to be warm for season 3.
Yeah, good night everybody and welcome. Big up on yourself and thanks for coming out for 100% talent. Yeah, selector, turn up the instrumental for me there. I'll pull it up one more time. Yeah. Turn it up now, I'm not hearing beats. You don't know it's a girl, Baby Blue, aka the Jamaican bad girl representing. Turn up the beat, look more selector. But tell a boy if you run come. But tell a boy if you run come. I'm a bit draw out for me magnum, but we must out a boy head for fun. But tell a boy if you run come. But tell him say if you run come. I'm a bit draw out for me magnum, but we must out a boy head for fun. How when I rise up a clip, me not take this. If a boy think him bad, come run up in a this. Draw from a last and slice the like fish. Easy, you said before you get this. This card is a get target practice. Put up one more time, selector. Yeah. Pull it up, selector. You don't know it's a girl, Baby Blue, aka the Jamaican bad girl representing dog. Exclusively. Me tell a girl say fi run come. Me tell a girl say fi run come. I make me try out for me magnum, but we must out a girl head for fun. Yo, me tell a boy say fi run come. Me tell him say if fi run come. I make me try out for me magnum, but we must out a boy head for fun. Cause when me rise up my clip, me not take this. If a boy think him bad, come run up in a this. Drop for me last and slice them like fish. Easy, you said before you get dismissed. Cause this is not target practice. Yo, why think him bad, him only smell bad. So sick, him sick stomach. Bad him body deserve filling down in a body bag. With a body tag. This is why you want look them boy you gon' get. Watch them or watch me. Every step when we make some idiot. Boy me no pump and I pet my fully bad. So me no take shit. Me say come touch a button, me steal your leg. None of them boy they a fool. Them can't do it no more. Yeah. Me I go give it to them really nice now, you know, cause sometimes I see one boy, you have to tell him something nice, don't? Alright, selector, drop the beat one more time. Cause I see feel like I see one boy in the crowd who want to tell you something, you know. Cause sometimes them a behave like say them no want to give up the good and then, you know, them a hold on for it, no? Yo! Me no matter if your girl want vex, I mean you for linking on my complex. Playing in your ear, me you go rub down your chest. Me know how to love your kiss and caress. So just send me a text, cause I don't know, see I'm going to flex. But I'm the sweet tenderness, this I loving ya, you have to request. Just come over, make me put it by your right. Come and know me something tight, come over, make me deal with your case, me a big woman, no. Me not time for waste, me not tell a soul kind of body not for know. My man not for know, and your girl not for know me. We lock down a star, we won't show, when the gym squeegee through my back door. Baby, me a tell you this straight. A long time now me a hold a feel. You take me for food, you take me for beer. I want my slice of the cake. I want to know, oh you want know what we know, don't? Yeah. But after nigga eye, a little and tight. The bother ask me why, cause they never get a try to me little and meat. The man them say me sweet, but after the neck power you put in at the man now beg me ah. Them say no fool yes, them say me something sweeter than a Christmas cake. You know me not gonna lie, the man them all a cry. I said them want to touch me till the end of time. Oh my, them say them a go, oh my. I must see you fly, oh my. Them want me not them lie, but not tell the lie. I chew me nigga eye, oh my. I cry, you a cry, oh my. But don't have a man in my life, oh my. Why you a call my phone every night and I come bother me? But you want the nigga eye, nigga eye. But know you want it, but me not run my body like it's a market. Alright, they say don't no selector. We not give them too much chance, you know?
That was your girl, baby blue. Okay, so all the artists that are here for the EP launch, ensure you give your name to the stage manager so we can run the program in order, alright? So all artists check up on and link up with the stage manager. Rihanna, walk out the side here, make them see you. Rihanna. Walk so them know who the stage manager is. Artists link up with Rihanna and ensure that you're on the program. Yeah, so it's 100% Talent Season 3. Big up J Blocks as he launched his EP. Just audition. He's from the Almighty family. So, the competition has started. This is audition. Next up we have someone that has auditioned last week. Make some noise for Sona.
You're doing great. I'm Roderick calling from a PCH to inform me that you're a lucky winner, okay? You're the first place winner in our states. In a few days your prizes will be on the way, but there's just a small process if you need to pay just $1,000. Yeah, that's all it takes. Pay no in advance, your prizes will be shipped today. Sir, do as I say, don't tell anyone, and everything will go as planned. Mr. Bouvier, this is not a scam to win this much money. You are a lucky man. Just go to your local MoneyGram, send the shipping fee, prepare to receive your millions. When you see your car, you'll be jumping out your pants. It's a brand new Beamer, you're 21, full of money, like some hit the lottery. Me a thief, but me never do a robbery. So we do it easy as easy. Easy as easy. Yeah, we do it. We do it. Do a jump free. If I don't money, don't ask me. We are top thief and that's how we damn do it. Client for running money pan top speed. Know the code to the game like some half cheese. Ego just send me the hot links. Not top press till me make a skull steam. Money and we damn rich when the work put in. Y'all run this up fast. We are jumping up. Client and code get hacking up. Fluent English on the line. When I start a like that we don't hear not call me. Said the money jumping up. Not another day in my life. Me happy sir. One client from a bank account fatting up. Money adding up. I will clean to the max, you know. Clothes not mismatching, you know. The girl that love the guy, you know. Like TV, girl, them watching us fabulous. I hope you're doing great. I'm Roderick calling from a PCH to inform me that you're a lucky winner, okay? You're the first place winner in our states. In a few days your prizes will be on the way, but there's just a small process if you to pay, just $1,000. Yeah, that's all it takes. Pay no in advance, your prizes will be shipped today. Sir, do as I say, don't tell anyone, and everything will go. Full of money like some hit the lottery. We are thief, never do a robbery. On the line, we also got a lot of bricks. Doing some type of white collar style. So I be able to follow me. While them eat them gas is a fan of me. Chamalaya quick, no apology. Ego just send the athletes cross. Now we are chop now. Deal with prayer for have fun. Yeah, girl, see the chopper and a act done. Sal our mind says you want for me snap now. Pick her up today. Tomorrow she got done. Me a walkie leaves out. Paper blocks are random. Skull can't fall to my heart. Me not have none. Remember days of a walk now the hot sun. Now we rich money they a quick. I'm a grandson. I'ma do the hop too. Stop it on the food. Paper blocks are shot. Look, match you with the rifle. Make it split hot. Never dark when I got shot a box with simple. Yeah, the gathering and the pop to all. Mine and they get chopped to all the chop them. Do I use like chop push as the break? I'm a quiet me and chat to. Hello, Mr. Bouvier. I hope you're doing great. I'm Roger calling from a PCH to inform me that you're a lucky winner, okay? You're the first place winner in our state. In a few days, your prizes will be on the way, but there's just a small process in the day. Just a your prizes will be on the way. Your prizes will be on the way.
We are on the risk, we are make the hits. We not take backs, we not take this. If you know, say I'm my ground this, my ground this.
Devil Almighty, I'm sound. But do I hear more? Alright, so that's his audition for the show, and according to the artist, it's a green light for Almighty. But make we hear more about Almighty. Stage manager, link up.
Hey, alright. Pull a what? Pull a bag, pull a shirt, pull a what? Me and the pants, a polo that. Everything a pull up. Check his stats, yeah. Pepper blacks, patchy dan, dark one. Pull a girl, jump clean, to the max. I'm a kids, she want to out, you not chop. Pull a box, them a chop only with a laugh. A daily, mabanga at. Change up the accent, food a job. Take a girl, easy mats. My chopper, girl, full of, hey, Almighty, full of that, full of what? Full of cash, yo. Money too much, can't count it. A silent job if you never notice. Chop it like but you not post it. You know see, oh Almighty bossy. And the money with the in me account big. And a joke to me out but the, hey. Big up people like about this 7-9 crowd, isn't it? Yeah? No say a chop line. You live up that. Yo, patch it down. How we do it? Yeah. We are me a cook and line with a big thief. Yeah, the money I will reach by this week. The client say must be a next fee. Another day, another big team. Just purchase a custom 16 with a scope on the top and the I'm a big with a skin teeth, go around 20 feet. Me head cheap as in the ear of it test sweet. Dirty money make couldn't live in a fear. Contract killer was your face anywhere. Make a one phone call and disappear from your place. Your lot number change and I grow where you stay. Oh, them a chop but me know that hard to fake. No house with people that anything me chase. Them gyal say them love all the chop a taste. When I like broke but me still bring it up. Dog. You a top free. If I no money don't ask me. We a top thief and that's how we top do it. Client have to run the money by top speed. You a top free. Dog, if I no money don't ask me. Give them your accent. Hey, hey. Hello, Mr. Bouvier. I hope you're doing great. I'm Roderick calling from the PCH to inform me that you're a lucky winner, okay?
And a music video, among other things, to propel your career. Alright, so big up our associated sponsors, Floyd Smith Locksmith, Bowmore Top Locksmith, Different Flavors Restaurant, great meal at a great price. A&Z Accessory Shop, the ultimate place for all your accessories. Joello for all your wedding rings and jewelry repairs. You know it's Joello's. Computer Genie. Hey, they buy, sell, and repair laptops, PCs, and game consoles. Richie Phone Shop. Call them up at 584-9233. Big up our main sponsor, Pepper TV. Big up J Blocks. He is the main sponsor for tonight's show, where we're launching his EP. Then big up Skyliner, Primex Security, Rika's Academy, Night Rider Videos. Up next we have our artist that goes by the name of Mighty. Make some noise for Mighty.
Yo, Dre.
Yo, how many I hear no noise for Mighty? Make some noise for Mighty. People don't know who should be. Tell the people who you are.
Christique Angel.
Now, we want you to remember that name, Christique Angel, because she intends to walk away with season 3, $300,000. Yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
So, just out of the echo, if you win that money, what is your intention for it?
Well, I'm moving towards being an entrepreneur, so basically to invest in my business.
Okay, well said. And if you want to elaborate about your business, I'm seeing a whole lot of people here, alright? So always use the opportunity you have when it comes to business, alright? But that's your choice, alright? So make some noise for Christique Angel. Christique Angel. No man, wanna make noise now? Make some noise for Christique.
Stepping on the streets, saying no who my be. Stepping on the streets, saying no who my be. Watch my style, watch my breathe. Watch me if you know what I mean. Stepping on the streets, saying no who my be. Stepping on the streets, saying no who my be. Watch my style, watch my breathe. Watch me if you know what I mean. Multi-talented girl I never heard of. Pass me the mic, make me push it a little further. Well, strap and ready up for the warfare. None of my lyrics and armor, so children draw near. Back a lipping, back a sitting, just a one palm me name. Why she this, why she that? But you can't bring me to shame. Love I ball the why you are look smart if you care. Now the time to waste people, success of mine. Truly best I live favor. Never back man nobody feel them my labor. Surround myself with real people, no fakers. Work hard for what I got, money chaser, chaser. Stepping on the streets, saying no who my be. Stepping on the streets, saying no who my be. Watch my style, watch my breathe. Watch me if you know what me. Success smell like sweat, live life, no regrets. Heart clean, beat my chest, stay far pestilence. I've been to a lot full of experience. Never live fake life and I have 1 cent. Me a one girl when not easy to frighten. Them the people well easy to pipe. Selling so for fame and a Louis Vuitton. Is it with the word the price you are paying later on? Sheesh. Full of back of people, mindless sheep. Get drawn in a evil. Draw near children and listen when I speak. Stepping on the streets, say you know what I mean. Stepping on the streets, say you know who I be. Stepping on the streets, say you know who I be. Watch my style, watch my breathe. Watch me, then you know what I mean. Stepping on the streets, then you know who I be. Stepping on the streets, then you know who I be. Watch my breathe, watch me, then you know who I be.
Of all ancient, all created things, above all wisdom, and in all the ways of man, you were here before the world began. Above all kingdom, above all throne, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all when in treasures of the earth. Never raise away your word. Crucified, lay me on the stone, live to die, rejected and alone, like a rose, trampled on the ground. You took the part, thought of me above all kingdom, above all queens, above all nation, we all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world had ever known, above all land and all the winds of earth. Jesus in the rest, your word. Crucified, crucified, leave me on the stone, live to die, rejected and alone, like a rose, trampled on the ground. You took the fall, thought of me crucified, lay me on the stone, live to die, rejected and alone, like a rose, trampled on the ground. You took the part, thought of me above all. You like a rose, trampled on the ground. You took the part, thought of me above all.
Unstoppable.
Yeah, so that was Samoy, and he is a man of God, and he's always passionate about his craft. All right. So next up we have Christine Angel. Do remember, whatever your talents are, if you sing, if you skip, if you draw, whatever talent you have, once you can make a performance of it, then you can present it on this stage each and every Saturday and get the chance to win up to $300,000. 100% talent Jamaica. Tell your friends, tell your family. Look online on all social media networks for 100% Jamaica. Get involved and win up to $300,000. Tonight our main event is J Black's EP launch. Without further cut, make his way to center stage. Big up all associate sponsors. Tonight we feature J Black's EP launch. So J Blocks is also one of our main sponsors for tonight. Big up the associated sponsors: Floyd Smith, Locksmith, Portmore Top Locksmith Shop, Different Flavors Restaurant, great meal at a great price. ANZ Accessory Shop, the ultimate place for all your accessories. Joello, for all your wedding rings and jewelry repair, you know it's Joello's. Super Collection, the greatest collection of household items and appliances. Computer Genie, we buy, sell and repair laptops, PCs and game console. Richie Phone Shop, yo, call him up at 584-9233. J Black's EP launch, yo, call up your friends, tell your family they need to be out here tonight for J Black's EP launch. Hey, big up Skyline Sound System, they're always here with us, a part of the 100% talent team. Primax Security, Rika's Academy, Night Rider Videography, Peppa TV, yo, we're all ready to kick off. So all contestants, link up backstage. Stage manager, we're ready.
Why you got me so messed up? I don't know, but you gotta stop the shred. Be a good girl now, turn around and get